Hello and good evening. I hope all of you are well. I decided to go out on a nature walk today. It's always nice to get some fresh air. I was reading a book written by the 19th Surgeon General of the United States, and he wrote a book called Together, and the book is written about an epidemic that's rarely talked about due to the nature of it. He's writing about loneliness, and so many of us are lonely, but unfortunately, there's a stigma around being lonely. And that's awful because that means so many people are suffering in silence. And then on top of that, they feel some sort of shame. And loneliness affects everybody. It doesn't matter your color, your profession, how much money you have. In his book, and I forgot the name of the doctor, but the name of the book is called Together. In the book, he talks about a high-level hospital executive who celebrated his birthday alone. And he felt profound shame about that because as his high-level executive, you're not supposed to feel loneliness, and that's absolutely not true. We all feel lonely. And I think it would be a really good idea for us to not shame or put shame on ourselves for feeling that way. Loneliness leads to a host of problems: cardiovascular disease, obesity, drug addiction, depression, anxiety. We need to open up a conversation about being loneliness without putting shame on anybody. And so that's what I'm thinking about as I go on my nature walk. I am a deep thinker, and I enjoy thinking about things that I believe will make the world a better place. And learning how to communicate with people, especially those that I serve within my community and my clients, the people who pay me for my services. If there is an issue with loneliness, I want to be able to offer my community and my clients that tool, because I don't believe that just helping a person become good at giving a speech is going to solve a problem. I believe that we really have to address the problem holistically. And so that's why I'm reading this book, so that I can help my community, help my clients, as well as help myself, my children, my family, and my significant others. But it's such a lovely day here in the Bay Area, here in California. It's gorgeous. Have a wonderful day.